Alright, got this Defender in today. For a 90-minute clean. Really nice one, this guy's just got it. Yeah, giving its DPF a clean out. It's not blocked, but very sluggish. Very sluggish in power. I did one of these last month and had really good results on it. The guy actually said to me that he's had it from new and it felt better than when he bought it. Yeah, so that was a really good thing. So I'm expecting the same on this one. We've got 121,000, so ain't too bad. No faults on it. There's another 15 minutes left on this. The guy's call his plate showing. Yeah, so we'll take it for a test drive in about 10 minutes and hopefully get some response out of the guy. I know it's going to be good. He'll be only one if it isn't. There he is, there the customer's there. Okay. Try and get a result out of it. Cheers.